Have you ever felt like the noise around you is just too loud? People's opinions, their expectations, their judgments. They start to shape you more than your own heart does. That's where this story begins. A young person, just like you, wakes up feeling empty. Not because life was terrible, but because they spent so long trying to make everyone else happy, they forgot what their own happiness even looked like. Every step they took was for someone else's approval. One day, exhausted from pretending, they saw a little kid at a bus stop, patiently trying to tie his shoelaces. He didn't look for approval, he just kept trying with love. That S when it hit them. Why do Auntie I give myself that same patience and love? That question changed everything. Loving yourself doesn't mean you're selfish. It means you're finally whole. You start attracting differently, your energy becomes a shield, and your life becomes yours again. So remember, you are not here to shrink so others can shine. You are here to live. The moment you choose to love yourself first, your entire life begins to change.